Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. Yes, you see it correct. Today we are going to trade on two brokers at the same time. I'm planning also to make a video where I'm trading at four at the same time. So if you find that interesting, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on this bell notification, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also below the video you find a link to my free WhatsApp community and you find a link to my Telegram community. There I share all my trades in Forex and binary option. I'm even thinking about opening up to share my screen live. So make sure you join that, okay? Also, if you want to join the broker you see to the left there now, make sure you click the link up here right now and or the link below the video. Also below the video for that broker to the left, that will be the first one you see. There I have a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count, okay? If you want to join this broker, that will be the broker number 2, okay? So now let's start. Let's see if we can get some good trades in. Just wait a little. Need to have my screen correct here. So I see both at the same time. There, we are in order. Okay. So let's change this one to candlestick. Let's start with $100 bid here. Here we can start with $100 also. Let's do $200 bids for now. We can start with pocket option here now. The one to here. Let's see. Let's make a line here. I think I like that. If you go up there, we're going to use martingale to go out of the trade, by the way. Now let's see. If you come up to this line, I'll pull. There we are in. Let's take it to 200. So we take a one trade here first, finalize it, and then we take a trade on the other broker after. Now let's see. We will definitely lose the first trade. So strongly move up, but we are ready. We go in there. After we'll find a line on the another broker after. If we win this trade, we have $84 profit. Because you see, we did $100 trade and won 200, and it's 384. That equals to $84 profit. Then we move over to the other broker and take a trade there. We are deep in money, so this one I am pretty sure we will win. If not, we take a $450 trade. Just prepare for that. Let's see. But I'm pretty sure we win. And there. We are now $84 profit. Now let's move over to another broker. We can see, we can mark ourselves a line up here. You see? Here I like to take the colors. There, if you come up to that line, we take a $100 trade. Then let's see, we are getting close to trade. No, you don't want. We can also take a trade down here. We make that one green. We are ready for both scenarios. Let's see. Not in yet. Need to come into my line before I go in. Like this, maybe many of you would have taken it, but I don't take. I'm very specific with my trade. Now let's see. So, okay, good enough. Let's take a $200 trade if we lose. If we win this trade, we get a $92 extra. We lost. The line got broken. Completely okay. We are in again. That means we get $84 if you win. Next trade will be $450. We lost, we're in again. Next to a 900. Let's see. Around there will be a good one if you come. I'll patiently wait for that line or the line up here. Let's see. We are in. Let's take a 2000 if we lose. Next will be down on this one here, in the case we lose. Strategic positions. And there we won. Then we'll do some calculation and see how much money we made. Then let's see. Then let's do some calculations. Let's see. So we already have 84. That is clear. Then let's take minus all these numbers. We take minus 100, minus 200. No, these two no. We started with 84. That's it. I see it wrong data now. This is from 20. It's just to the 21 you're trading. Okay. So let's take minus 100, minus 200, minus 450, minus 900. Okay. Then we take plus 1, 728. So there we made a profit of $162 trading on 2 brokers. So here is how we do it. I did not do it so clearly, but how I could have done it a little better. When we're doubling up, I did a little in the start, but clearly I was thinking, yes, let's do it more correctly. Every time we double up only on specific lines. So you can see here now, I can mark you a few more lines here so you can see. We can take a line around up here. Let's make it red. and this one in this case will also be red now. So if you come up, let's say you want to double up now. Let's take one more line down around here. This one you make green. So now this one will be red, right? So this is the places I would either double up one way or the other. So if I go down here now, here I will push up, here I push down, up here I push down. If I come down here again, I will push up here. Understand? It's your lines that you're trading on. So if you do that, you can martingale better out of the trade on specific lines. So like you did see, for example, when I did go here, I did double up, he basically came back to the same position as the first trade almost. We don't double up. We double up only when you come to the specific lines. If I have done that from the start, we would have had one chain less to trade. So stay calm in the market and do like that. You don't need to double up the same direction either, right? So if, for example, you have shows it to go down, and you come up again to a specific place, he just go up above, you can go down, and you come up again, then you can do a sell trade, because here will be a sell trade. So always treat the lines like that. Like for example, now if I had lost all trades, now for example here, if I had only sell trade, I lost all of them. Here I would now up trade, then I could easily take a buy trade here, sell trade here. I don't need to follow the same direction. I trade after the lines I have. For whatever reason, I will double up in the correct areas, So we don't need to follow in one direction. You can easily, when you come up here, then you would sell. Come down here, you would buy. So treat it like that. Don't try to treat it just one direction. You see, I did one direction here because it fits for me, because he did only go downwards. But if you had to go up again, I would easily take a sell trade here instead of only take up trades, Because every trade was lost, right? And if you go up again here now, I would have sold. So treat it that way and you will be much more successful. I know I have taught that when you trade on this line, you have a very high win rate, okay? But when you lose, I forgot on me, but treat it like that. Make the lines in front maybe. I think maybe probably you do that. You want to trade this line, cool. Make ready for the another lines, maybe a couple lines down, just so you're prepared if you lose the trade. So you only double up on the lines, okay? So, but there you have it. We traded on 2 brokers. I showed you that you can win on both of them. And I will do this on 4 brokers next time, probably. And then, but the reality is that today I only have 2 real accounts. The 2 another I will need to trade on demo account, okay? Because I'm not trading actively in 4 brokers today. But the 2 other brokers I'm going to show also is good. You can use them, completely up to you. But when I trade live, I will trade live real on these 2, and I will trade on demo on the 2 next to the another 2. So I will add them in maybe the next video. If I do well, maybe I fund them later. Probably not, because I don't see any reason for it. But you are welcome to use any, of course. So with that, have an amazing day. And this is a Sunday, by the way. So you can trade any day of the week.